What's the meaning of arm wrestling? Arm wrestling. Arm wrestling.
Arm wrestling. Arm wrestling. Arm wrestling is a sport in which two people compete by trying to force each other's arm down onto a table. The goal is to use one's arm and hand strength to overpower the opponent. Whoever successfully forces the other person's hand down onto the table wins the match. It is often used as a friendly way to settle disputes or determine who is stronger. However, it can also result in serious injuries if not done properly. Overall, arm wrestling is an entertaining and competitive activity that can be enjoyed by many.